This vegan basil pesto recipe is just the right recipe for our family. Our kids love this basil pesto. It's so good. It's so creamy and rich, and it's so good to spread it on bread. We love it. So the kids even like to help with making this. Welcome or welcome back to our simple home. This is the basil bush I didn't cut yet, so I want to cut it for this video. So I cut half of the stems off and then I just put it into my bowl, and later on I will take off the leaves. I will need 1.5 cups of basil leaves, really tight pressed into the 1.5 cups, so it's quite a lot. There's not much left from the basil bush, but here, look at that beside it, the beautiful flowers, zinnias. They are so gorgeous, and this year they turned out really pretty. Last year they were not so pretty like this year, so I'm very lucky. So now let's go in and wash the basil. If you're wondering what the blue light is back there, this is a fly trap. I can link you this below. It's pretty handy. You don't see the flies from the outside, but they are behind that card, and it's working actually great. So my kids started helping me to take off the leaves, and they just take them off, put them in the bowl back there, and I wash all the basil here. I got quite a lot of basil here. It's probably enough for 2 recipes. I will be doing probably another recipe later on today. So I start with 1 cup of nuts. I have in there sunflower seeds, cashews, walnuts, and pecans. I grind them, make sure they're fine, and then I peel 5 cloves of garlic. We like lots of garlic in there, especially fresh one. It's really good. You usually don't have to peel the garlic if you do it through this garlic press, but I prefer to peel mine. So I press it through the garlic press, but you don't have to if you have a good mixer, but I prefer mine very fine, so that's why I press it, do the extra step here. I add 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Now 1.5 cup of fresh basil leaves, but really pressed in full. So you can see me over there pressing in the leaves and trying to get as much as possible in there. I like a lot of basil in there. It enhances the taste, and it's really healthy and good. So yeah, we love it. Now I'm filling up the 1/2 cup over there. If you enjoyed my video so far, please like, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and share my videos with others. That means a lot to me, and that helps my channel to grow, and I'm so happy about that. Thank you so much. It looks quite a lot, but it's not once you mix it. I press out some lemon from half a lemon. I normally never add lemon, but because the basil turns dark very quickly, I thought I'd try to add lemon this time. I only add 1 teaspoon. You may add more if you like to prevent the darkening, like here. I didn't add lemon, and this is how it looks. Unless you do more lemon and more olive oil on top of it, then it doesn't get dark as fast. So now I mix my basil pesto. I add half a cup of olive oil. Mix it again. This is how it looks. Now I transfer the vegan basil pesto into my small serving bowl. It is raw, it's creamy, and it's delicious. Like, we love it. You can eat it with pasta, with potatoes, with bread, with actually anything you like to. It tastes so good, and it is filling. It's creamy and it's yummy, just delicious. I decorated with some basil leaves. There you go. We love to spread this basil pesto onto bread. Here, this is a carrot flat bread. It is a vegan and gluten-free bread. If you like to watch this video, I leave it in the description box below. Check it out. My kids love this with the basil pesto, and they enjoy it very much. And I like to put that on my sourdough bun and enjoy it as well. Well, thank you so much for watching. Maybe you want to watch this video next, or maybe this playlist. See you there. Bye.